apron through the taxiway. There's a taxiway connecting the runway.
Egombora Kabare Erim Project nk'ekishaayi ekinyonyi kya Kabarega ekirihikwa omwanya gw'ebyamakoro ogwa Kabarega Industrial Hub hamwe n'icundiro ry'amashita erya East African Crude Oil Pipeline EACOP aho amashita gari kwija kutwarwa okurabira omu pipe erikuzatanga omuri Tanzania. Konka abebembezi nibajya ngu project ezi zirugiremu kweyongyera kw'abantu abarikwegama obuheereza bukye.
We are the umbrella of the government. We request government to support us. The government to support the fishermen, the fishing communities, because they have been the most suffering community. The government should also support the entire community of Kabale.
Abantu bashobora ngwegomborera egitero mu ishomero ryona erya hamusingi gwa gavumenti kandi abeegi nibagenda engendo ningwa okutunga obuheereza obu omuri Kikube.
As a sub-county, we lack a seed secondary school. My appeal to the government is that the Ministry of Education must give us a seed secondary school. Why? Kabale Public Primary School every year gets around 80 first grades, and we have so many primary schools here performing well. But after P7, those people they always go to the villages. They don't join secondary schools.
Ringo ngogumwe abantu bashobora ngo byo bwegeso mushitweke eki nabyo tibirije kandi John ayesiza or speaker w'urukiko rw'egombora ya Bugambe najangirwa rya Kabale Health Center ya Kashatu itaga kwindura iri mutendera gwa kana ahabo muhendo gw'abaroyira binji aburukwakira buri zoba
kandi twene nekizibu kya byobumezi ibaro lyetu kya Health Center siri kandi likutwara bulk number of people abo tukusabira baryongeze balitembere ike Health Center 4 then ebizibu bindi ebyamaguzi byaitu emihende kyali hansi ko kutwangalira ku mutuli basajja bakusinga butuli balimi n'abasoyi abo busoyi bali insecurity kandi abo balimi emihende kyali hansi
nayongera ngo omuhendo gw'abantu guyo nigweyongera ha speed ya mani ahabwe emirimo y'amajita.
Low income, maybe local revenue collected, because we still have very many people are still denying to pay the taxes. Hence we know that after the tax collection, the revenue collected it's the one which will cater for all these projects which we implement through our budget. But now we are facing that problem of tax defaulters.
Tuna local revenue eri ncheke muno etakusa funding abete tukora obuhereza kandi tunafamu ekizibu kindi kya esinzigwa Kampala ziri zitayito kwa milioni mukaga ogenda okole engudo bati milioni mukadi sakora engudo mu Kabale muno kwa tuna engudo nyingi ezina kolebwa kwa bantu bakabali bakusinga bali balimi abalimi abakone bitaga engudo ziri ebirimu byabo biri bati kurungi bigino mu katale.
Juvenile Dramani mkuru w'entebe yo kubanza cyaro cya